Tons of oil. Add paper. It's hot enough. Add 1/3 cup of curd.
Please test. I rate it a 10 out of 10. Trinity?
I rated it 10 out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.